In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can see through blocks in Minecraft. So anyway, let's get started. So first, I'm just gonna dig a hole, and I'm going to cover it up. Now I'm gonna break the floor and place a composter there. Now follow along carefully. Now what I'm going to do is add the redstone. I'm going to put a lever here and then just add some redstone dust that's going to be connecting to the piston, like this. Now when you flick the lever, the piston should push the composter right in front of you. So I'm going to get in the composter at the bottom, and I'm going to flick the lever. Now you can see that you can actually see through the blocks. Of course, it isn't the best, but it's a lot better than nothing, because when I say it isn't the best is, well, you can see some axolotls there, but you don't see any water. But still, you can see through the blocks below you, and you can see where is the nearest cave. If you want to exit, simply just break the composter and then you're out. And then you can break the other composter to get out. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, I hope you like, subscribe, and share. Bye!